Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how to convert fraction into a percentage. Can you tell 16.66% of 36 or 33.33% of 27 or 12.5% of 40 within few seconds? Can we do these type of questions fastly? Yes, we can. Once we know the fraction values, then you can calculate any complicated percentage much faster. Let's start. We know that 1 is nothing but 100%. This 1 we can write it as 1 by 1, which is nothing but 100%. Then we go with 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is half of 100. We know that. So half of 100 is 50%. Then what is 1 by 4? 1 by 4 we can write it as 1 by 2 times 1 by 2. This is nothing but half of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 50%. Half of 50% is 25%. Then we go with 1 by 8. 1 by 8 we can write it as 1 by 2 times 1 by 4. So that is half of 1 by 4. We know that 1 by 4 value is 25. So half of 25 is 12.5%. And we will see 1 by 16. This 1 by 16 we can write it as 1 by 2 times 1 by 8. So that is nothing but half of 1 by 8. 1 by 8 value is 12.5%. So half of 12.5% is 6.25%. Now see, if someone is asking what is 6.25% of 32? As we know that 6.25% is nothing but 1 by 16. So instead of 6.25% you can write it as 1 by 16. So 1 by 16 times 32 is equal to 2. Like that, once you know the fraction values, you can calculate these type of questions very easily. Now see 1 by 3. 1 by 3, 1 is nothing but 100%. So that is 100 by 3. So which is the value is 33.33%. This one we can write it as 33 1 by 3 in fraction form. 1 by 6, you can write it as 1 by 2 times 1 by 3. So that means half of 1 by 3. 1 by 3 value, we know that 33.33%. So half of 33.33% is 16.66%. Then we take 1 by 9. 1 by 9 we can write as 1 by 3 times 1 by 3. So this is 1/3 of 1 by 3. So we know that 1 by 3 value is 33.33%. So 1/3 of 33.33 is 11.11%. Now we see 1 by 12. 1 by 12 we can write it as 1 by 2 of 1 by 6. We know that 1 by 6 value is 16.66%. So what is half of 16.66% is 8.33%. If someone is asking what is 16.66% of 36, we know that 16.66% is 1 by 6. So instead of this we can write 1 by 6. 1 by 6 of 36 is equal to 6. Like that, simply solve this type of questions. Next, 1 by 5. So this 1 is nothing but 100%. So this is 100 divided by 5, which is equal to 20%. 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is half of 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is 20. So half of 20 is 10%. Then we see 1 by 15. This we can write it as 1 by 3 times 1 by 5. So 1/3 of 1 by 5. 1 by 5 value is 20. So 1/3 of 20 is 6.66%. Now we will see 1 by 20. 1 by 20 we can write it as 1 by 4 times 1 by 5. So that means 1/4 of 1 by 5. We know that 1 by 5 is equal to 20%. So 1 by 4 of 20% is 5%. 1 by 25. This we can write it as 1 by 5 times 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 value is 20%. So 20 divided by 5 is 4%. Next, 1 by 50. This 1 by 50 we can write it as 1 by 2 times 1 by 25. So 1 by 25 we know that 4%. Half of 4 is 2%. 1 by 7 is equal to 14.2857. Then 2 by 7 is equal to 28.5714. Then 3 by 7 is equal to 42.8571. Then 4 by 7 is equal to 57.1428%. These are all percentages. 5 by 7 is equal to 71.4285%. 6 by 7 is equal to 85.7142%. How can we remember these values? No need to remember all these values. Just remember 142857. If you observe all these values, only the number 142857. See here also 142857. Even here also 142857, 142857, 142857. Here the number 142857 recycling here. Now you understand the number 142857 is recycling. Then how to write these values? Observe here, in the number 142857, smallest number is 1. Starting with the smallest number, after two digits keep a decimal point. The number is 14.2857. So 1 by 7 value is 14.2857. Now we'll see 2 by 7. That means 2 over 7. After 1, next highest number is 2. So starting with 2, after 2 digits keep a decimal point. Then you have to write a number 28.5714. Now we see 3 by 7. After 2, next highest number is 4. After 2 digits keep a decimal point. You will get the number 42.8571. Then 4 by 7. After 4, next highest number is 5. After 2 digits keep a decimal point. Then you will get the number 57.1428. If something it is in the form of 142857, that means it is a multiple of 1 by 7. Let's see, fraction goes in pairs. 1 by 9 value is 11.11%. Then 2 by 9 value is 22.22%. Then 3 by 9 value is 33.33%. 4 by 9 value is 44.44%. 5 by 9 value is 55.55%. Similarly, what do you observe here? Same digit is repeating here. If same digit is repeating, that means it is 1 by 9. Now we'll see 1 by 11. 1 by 11, the value is 9.09%. Then 2 by 11. 2 by 11 is 18.18%. After multiplying 9.09 times 2, will get 18.18. Then 3 by 11 is 27.27%. So 4 by 11 is 36.36%. What you are observing here, this is 9 times 1, this is 9 times 2, and this is 9 times 3. And similarly 4 by 11 is 9 times 4. Like that, whenever you see 9 table, that means it is a nothing but 1 by 11. 1 by 9 is, the value is 11.11%. And 1 by 11, the value is 9.09%. These two fractions goes in pairs. This 2 by 3, we can write it as 1 by 3 times 2. We know that 1 by 3, the value is 33.33%. So after multiplying by 2, we will get 66.66%. Like that, simply you can convert these fractions into a percentage. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to get more interesting topics in future. Now we will see 5 by 16. This we can write it as 1 by 16 times 5. We know that 1 by 16 value is 6.25. If you remember this value, you can do directly. 6.25 times 5 will get 31.25%. If you don't remember this fraction value, then how can you solve this? Just simply split this 1 by 16. So 1 by 16, we can write it as 1 by 4 times 1 by 4. We know that 1 by 4, the value is 25 percentage. For this value is 25 percentage. So 1 by 4 times 25. So if you do 25 divided by 4, we will get 6.25. Now we know 1 by 16 value is 6.25. After multiplying with 5, we will get 31.25 percentage. Now we will see 3 by 25. We know that 1 by 25, the value is 4. 3 times 4, that which is equal to 12%. Now 2 by 5. So this we can write it as 1 by 5 times 2. We know that 1 by 5 value is 20. After multiplying by 2, we will get 40%. Now we will see 31 divided by 40. This we can write it as 1 by 40 times 31. We can split this 1 by 40. We can split it 1 by 2 times 1 by 20. So 20 times 2 is 40. So what is the value of 1 by 20? 1 by 20 value is 5. The 5 divided by 2, we will get 2.5. At 1 by 40, the value is 2.5. Using this 2.5, then if you do times 31, then we will get the value is 77.5 percentage. 7 by 9. Whenever we see 9, and you have to remember this 9 and 11, these fractions goes in pairs. 1 by 9, the value is 11.11 percentage. After multiplying with 7, you will get 77.77 percentage. Then 3 by 8. You can write it as 1 by 8 times 3. 1 by 8, the value is 12.5. 12.5 times 3. Then you will get 37.5 percentage. This 4 by 11, we can write it as 1 by 11 times 4. Whenever you see 9 and 11, these two fractions go in pairs. So if you see 1 by 11, you write in terms of 9. So the 1 by 11, the value is 9.09 percentage. After multiplying by 4, we will get 36.36 percentage. 20 divided by 27. This fraction value, how can you solve it? First, use this, you can write it as 27 times 20. Then find out 1 by 27 value. 1 by 27, you can write it as 1 by 3 times 1 by 9. We know that whenever you see 9, this 9 and 11, this fraction values goes in pairs. So 1 by 9 value is 11.11 percentage. Do this 11.11 percentage divided by 3. Will get 3.703. So after this, multiplying this 3.703 times 20, will get 74.06 percentage. Like this, simply solve, you can convert these fraction values into a percentage. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.